fucking whack. Recording. Christian's trying to hit this rail. He hit it already, but he's trying to do it again. Look at how here. Oh, he's sending it. He's sending it. Oh shit. Gangsta. Oh. I'm telling you. Yo! So this is the top of the morning?
Top of the night.
Top of the night. Alright, let's go.
My bubbles now.
What the fuck?
Where the bubbles at?
She just took it away from me.
You're just dropping bubble soap on yourself.
I just had it earlier. Let the wind pass.
Ash, my baby. Hey! Mama huevo. Why you look so serious on the camera? This is the same song I just played. Shut the fuck up, Claudio. Yo, bro, suck my dick. Alright, this is like my 50th attempt trying to do an introduction to a vlog. Not really. We were supposed to leave. We were all supposed to be here at like 10. It is 11:41, bro. We're like, well, first of all, Will was supposed to be here at 10. He left his crib at like, he got here what, like at 11:20ish? And I think this, he's rebooting. Oh yeah, he's rebooting. That's an NPC shit. Anyways, but yeah, we're just right now we're just waiting on Will to get off the phone, and then we're gonna go to Riverside. We're supposed to be there by 12. We're not making it there in 20 minutes.
We get this done, and we can encourage each other, because I do a cars every night, a cars every morning now. It's like,
he just stepped on shit.
Type shit, bro. The fuck? You see this, bro? It's Brooklyn.
Yo, bro, what the fuck do you mean by that?
It's not moisturized.
Fuck? Fuck you mean what the fuck? Hold on, bro. Fuck your sister with these new. It's the same what she gonna do.
Yeah, right here. Right now. I got my TRX. It'll be all, sir. We understand if you don't want to drive that. I'll be, of course not.
Of course not.
No mucho dinero. Pequeño dinero.
Watch him say this cop.
Dinero. No más dinero.
My body is sore.
Say that again. No, fuck it.
Bro.
That sounds like pasta, nigga. It's over, right? It's over. Every time.
Binga.
What the fuck? Ah, my PL.
I'm trying to tell this bitch, bro. And the thing is, I'm so
You got blue sexy guy. I mean,
Fuck. Fuck.
I got that.
You got that shit, bro.
Fuck. Yo.
Damn.
Come on. Come on. No, come on.
I almost ate that mosquito. Yeah, I got the Vans AVEs. These don't really come out in this colorway anymore, but I got them. I got them in Florida. I'm wearing Banana Republic shorts. They come up 6-inch. A Vans Sunrise shirt to go with the AVEs. This is actually one of my special collabs. Me and Brock Lesnar. We did this one. There's nothing on the back. But yeah, it's basically what I'm wearing today. And I'm listening to Other People by Beach House.
Alright.
This one you play the music, right?
Bro,
Yo, bro.
Christian,
you got
get
on
that
today?
camera out of my face,
What you got on
bro.
today, bro?
Get the camera out of my fucking face.
Yo, these phone pauses, right? Yo, these shit's fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like them joints.
That's my bad ankle. And you got grease on my shoe.
Grease, nigga, what grease?
See that shit?
See what? What are you talking about?
You just did that.
Break bread.
This your man's, bro?
Yeah, bro. Other People by Beach House.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. So, what you got on, my boy?
There's some light drip.
Yeah, these real nice. What size are these, bro?
Your size, bro.
They my size?
Your size.
They look like my size. I'm not gonna hold it. They look like my
I
size.
don't even know who you are anymore. Right now he's with people, but he's listening to music because he wants to be different. I'm so sweaty. Wait, what? Say hi. Oh, okay, word. Just for funsies. I'm not filming you, I'm filming everyone. I'm filming the world, bro. What the fuck? How do I stop? economic condition of the world. So, socio and economically, what you think?
It's kind of going to shit because of the inflation.
Fact, socio and economically, on God.
Socio and economically, the inflation is affecting both, quite frankly, and therefore it's all going downhill.
But socio and economically, for real.
Yeah. Like,
But like
on
in
the
terms,
inflation.
but in terms of like socio and economically.
But like in terms of the socio and economically,
But like terms, but like only in terms of like socio and economic.
Yeah,
Like,
you can't Wikipedia.
The thing is, they can see that I'm recording them when I turn it on. But like for real, like socio and economically, like for real. But like, let's talk about. Can we talk about socio and economic?
You know what?
Climate
Everybody,
of the
no
world?
one talks about it these days.
Do you want to talk about the socio and economic climate of the world? Homie's so cringy. Get caught red-handed. No, I'm kidding. It's not chalk. I'm starting to see your mom. I'm starting to see your mom. What you gonna do? This is the best burrito I've ever eaten. You can just hop in. You're good.
I love you too. I love you too.
Bro, what's your mom's at? Let me send this shit to her right now, bro. I caught a video of him tagging some shit. I'm gonna send it to his mom. Here, ready? Say your name, favorite color,
Name, your address, your social security number.
It got shut down?
My name is Ariana Shabadagi. My address is...
I would make such good vlogs. Would I not?
You would.
Facts. Finna take over your career, motherfucker.
Go ahead, I don't care.
Just for like 3 hours till I fall asleep. Sounds
We
good.
can't get back into this. Because we need a FOB.
Finna nap on God. Good night.
Ew, why is it wet?
Little Mexican
Your part
boy.
is wet, mine's
Good
not.
night. This is so fun, right? You love this game. Haha, it's so fun.
He woke me up. Now I'm mad.
Talk to yourself.
I'm
Walk away, I
drunk
promise.
and I don't know where I'm at. I actually do know where I'm at, but
Shelly,
like,
one
okay.
block, let's go.
Thrust. Hey. You guys got anything to say?
Yeah, you got papers?
You got
No.
papers? You need papers.
Oh,
Killed it.
no, my bad, bro. Bro, but if you need, that guy can thrust on you. Nah, he was standing there and he's like,
Can you do that to me?
yeah,
Can you do that?
nah. Bro, I'm like, look at the height.
Get out of here. I'm off.
I'm like 6'5", you like 5'4".
You got it with the 5'4".
He's volleying right now.
Nah, you
He's 5'4", 5'6".
You got it. Ah, you got it, bro. I got
Nah, I'm like 5'2".
Elvis.
I'm 5'2". I'm not gonna
like
lie.
5'9".
I'm like
Nah.
5'2". I'm not gonna hold it. I'm 5'2".
Nah, he's like
talking to that?
4'5".
She just dubbed
Tell
me.
him, man.
She's volleying.
My
Nah,
close
I'm
friend.
just
Sit
short,
up, small
short,
friend.
nigga.
Hey,
wild.
look. I feel like I'm with my son picking up from preschool or something. Word 2. You guys are Bronx guys for sure.
I'm not from the Bronx. Are you fucking dumb? I'm from Brooklyn. Is you fucking shitting me? Like, what? What are you talking about?
Why are you talking like that?
Because I'm from Brooklyn. The fuck?
No, you hold it, fucking bitch.
Hey, yo, I'm fucking weak.
You guys have anything to say to the generation? Oh my god, you love comics?
Don't go to college, cuties. It's unnecessary.
On God.
Scam men always. On God.
Fact.
Let's go Mets.
Oh, fuck them! No, I'm kidding. I love baseball.
Fuck the Mets.
Love you too. Bye. Come on, guys. Let's go. Bye, Manooch. This was the best burrito.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, look. I found me some cloud chasers.
You're walking with me.
Where the fuck are they going? Hold on, where are they going?
You went to get the papers?
Compensating.
He's fucking. I mean, he's out of pocket. I mean,
Homie has a small dick.
always the man with the infinity. Whack ass shit.
Why is it so fucking bright in here? Oh my god, bro! What the fuck?
Follow me?
Yeah! He's friends with a furry. You guys are literally the same race. Whoa.
I'm brown, bro. The blonde hair.
She's Middle Eastern.
The blonde hair like confuses people, but I'm hella Middle Eastern.
Racial ambiguity as fuck. I don't know who this is. I'm just zooming on his face. Bro, stop fucking following me.
The quesadilla from here? I don't know.
Where should I get it from then?
That taco truck. What you mean?
Taco truck?
Yeah,
The guy
you guys
who's
were-
thrusting.
Oh, that was a halal truck.
Get us and he'd be like,
Literally, he took me so long to talk a trick guy.
Do you want to chop cheese?
you wanna chop a cheese? Why am I chopping? Why are you chopping a cheese? Damn,
You
that
suck.
shit.
Wait, hold up.
Okay, I'm done.
Do you want to